Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, how to stop kayak straps from vibrating. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaks are a great way to enjoy the outdoors and get some exercise, but they can be challenging to transport. Kayak straps can make it easier and safer to transport your kayak from one location to another. But how to avoid kayak straps from vibrating when you are on the move? It's possible to stop kayak straps from vibrating by twisting them as you feed them around the kayak and securing them. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. Want to learn more about the right methods of kayak strapping? Number 2. Why do kayak straps vibrate during transport? Number 3. What is the danger of kayak strap vibrating during transport? Number 4. The guide to avoiding kayak strap vibrating, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and